Hey there, my name is Alexander and I'm the developer of notion2anki. So today I want to show you some changes from the latest version. So I'm really excited about that. So let's go here over to Notion setup. So you can see I have Notion here on the left hand side and then Anki on the right hand side. Just ignore these example decks for now. Imagine they're not there. But here we have a page that's already set up. You can see we have the emoji for the flag of France and then we have a cover. This is just to practice the capital of France. Here we have a basic card. Question is here and then inside we have Paris there. So very basic. This card or this toggle header here is a little bit different. It has a code block there and that tells notion2anki that it's closed deletion. Inside it's empty. So this was something that's already supported. So what's new is that we now get the emoji and the cover. So let's go and export it. Here on the upper right corner you have the three dots. You click that and then you go down here to the export. Pick that and then make sure you pick the HTML and then hit export. Then make sure that you save it. Then you can head over, type in toanki.net, hit enter. You're gonna get to this page here. Click get started and here's the upload page. You can pick some options, font size, and then close the toggle modes and stuff like that. But we're gonna pick the defaults because we're using close deletion and we only have one basic card. So let's click to upload here and then locate our file and then just hit convert and bam! That's how fast notion2anki is. So let's click download and then now we should be able to import it into Anki by there and you can see it showed up there, right? So you can see the emojis there and if we click on the deck, we have our cover image. So this is one of the new features and to be honest, I'm really excited about it because it's going to add some personalization to the decks. I really wanted this feature for a while now, both the emoji and the background, because I've been doing this manually, so now you don't need to. Thanks for watching and please hit the like button. Smash it! I know you can do it. And yeah, also hit the notification, the subscribe and then the bell icon.